In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unsync and unlink your Gmail accounts step by step. Whether you're using forwarding, POP/IMAP, or account access features, this guide will help you separate everything quickly and easily. First, let's stop email forwarding. Sign into the Gmail account that's sending emails to another account. Once you're in, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Then go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. If forwarding is turned on, click Disable Forwarding and don't forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom. Next, if you're using POP/IMAP or importing emails from another account, sign into the Gmail account that receives those emails. Again, go to Settings and open the Accounts and Import tab. Scroll to Check Mail from Other Accounts, find the account you want to remove, and click Delete. This will stop Gmail from syncing emails from that account. Finally, if you've given someone access to your Gmail, you can remove it. In the same Accounts and Import section, scroll to Grant Access to your account. Find the person you want to remove and click Delete next to their email, and that's it. Your Gmail accounts are now fully unlinked and unsynced. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick and helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.